Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the tech news update for Friday, January 22nd, 2016. In our little tech news update today, we have Dropbox that now has a universal app for Windows 10. So it's cool to see that people are continuing to do universal apps all around, the platforms for Microsoft Windows. So it's available now. It works, of course, equally well on all platforms. Also promises to have a better interface and a little faster speed when you access your Dropbox. For those that don't know, Dropbox is a very nice little feature where you can actually um, put in the cloud files and share files with friends. And of course, you got some online storage available, and you can also pay for extra storage. So a universal app for Dropbox are now available. Office Mac. Well, if you're an Apple Mac user and you enjoy using Microsoft Office, you can now join the Insider program. Since yesterday, Microsoft has started the Office Insider program for Mac computers. So you can actually give your own little ideas of what you think of Office, what you should, what should be improved. And I think it's a nice little gesture, and it's fun to know that we think of tech enthusiasts mostly being PC people, but well, I'm sure there are going to be some tech enthusiasts for Mac that are going to enjoy trying out and giving their own comments and suggestions of the product to Microsoft. Skype now by default will be hiding your IP address from users. In Skype, it was pretty easy to know the IP address of pretty much everybody that was calling. And a lot of people were complaining a bit about that because it is true that it removes a sense of security here because with the IP you pretty much know where the caller is, and that for some people was kind of a problem, especially if you're having Skype calls with people you're not really sure and you know very well. So now by default the IP address will be hidden in Skype, and I think that's a good decision personally. Now, if you were waiting for the higher end Surface Book Surface Pro, well, they are now available with 1 terabyte hard drives and these high-end graphics adapter cards and so on. And they are now available if you want to, have more than almost $3,000 to pay, 3,500. So both the Surface Pro at tablet and Surface Book have the new high-end versions available. And bonus, for those that want, they have a new pen, gold colored. So if you want to have a gold colored pen, you can get that with your higher end device. Well, apparently, according to 9 to 5 Mac and a lot of different Mac websites, this is a representation of some of the pictures of a virtual reality headset that Apple would be working on, apparently. So basically, lots of people are saying that Apple is working on its own virtual reality headset that would be available. We're not really sure when. That could be interesting, and that could be a game changer when you look at that compared to basically the virtual reality headsets of Microsoft like HoloLens. It's going to be pretty cool to see what is going to come out and when it is. And at the end of the year, I asked the question. A lot of you were mentioning that virtual reality would be something to look forward in 2016. So who knows? Maybe Apple will join the club. Windows 10 Insider Preview was available yesterday, so if you're an insider, go and check it out. 11.102 was released yesterday afternoon. And of course, I have a quick review on my channel. And of course, the main feature that is visible is the fact that the back and the forward and back buttons on Microsoft Edge, you can now right click and have the list of all the websites you visited to have quick access. And that's a pretty cool feature, by the way. Basically, a lot of people were complaining, saying, well, they released the 11 099 last week. Now it's just 11102. 3 builds later. There's not a lot of stuff here. They didn't do much. Well, Microsoft did say, look, in just this week of the 3 builds, in the core of Windows 10, over 1,200 changes. So it doesn't show that much because it's really core. But Microsoft is saying there's a lot of changes in the core of Windows 10 and more are coming. So you see they're working pretty hard on these builds. Of course, once again, Gabriel Hall of the Insider team did say, don't expect too much for the next few builds. We are working mostly on the core of Windows. So this was the tech news update for January 22nd, 2016. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when the videos are online. Give us a thumbs up if you like the videos. You have any comments, questions, suggestions? Maybe you have something that you want me to make a video about? Let us know. We'll try to post that video online. Thank you so much for following us on this channel.